We're out here today with Amey at Brent Cross. Brent Cross is a complex, multidisciplinary project.
Hi, I'm Mariana Watton. I'm the Assistant Project Manager working for Amey on the Brent Cross project.
I'm Mark McGregor, I'm the Site Supervisor for Civils here at Brent Cross.
My name is 𝗬𝗏𝗺 and I've been with Amey for roughly about 3 years now.
I'm Mark 𝗬𝗏𝗺, I'm the Signal Construction Manager for Amey at the Brent Cross project.
So before Rail Diary, we're usually updating our works on a WhatsApp group or via Teams.
We had loads of different processes using mainly Word and Excel.
We had forms in place for work allocation. We had different procedures in place for resource and labour.
So instead of just doing it in one, there was 2 documents that needed to be done.
So using Rail Diary has been a really slicker and quicker process to get all our site records in place.
It literally saves about 2 hours.
It's a lot quicker for us to really update things that's going on site. As for instance here, if we're taking line blocks and we've got to give back the line block to the signalman, it's easier to update it on the group, it's in one place.
It means from a manager's point of view, when we're allocating work, we can put it all down onto one app. This means the team leader out there can see it, he can see the resource he's got, and then likewise he feeds back to us through this what actually turned up, the work that was completed, any shortfalls in that work.
All the work that's getting done, as long as you're updating it step by step, you're just getting saved. End of the shift, you just submit it.
The implementation of Rail Diary was fairly easy. We had a lot of support from Rail Diary itself.
Went through the process, how to use it, how it's set up.
The guys from our side that used it on site found it very easy. The fact that everything was on one app was useful, they could do it on their phones. You don't need to be an expert or an IT expert, it was there. Very simple, very easy for all to use.
The biggest impact of Rail Diary is that data is now captured in one common source of truth stored in the cloud. This data is aligned with their bill of quantities, activity schedule and RMM, meaning that everybody in the project can have full visibility that they require.
If there is any changes or anything like that, it takes about 5–10 seconds to just make the changes.
It provides an opportunity to review detail in real time, as well as promoting conversation between both the office staff and the site staff.
And the fact that different users could look at the information provided just made everything helpful. We no longer get the half answers back from people. If they come back, there's been an issue on site, we're finding out reasons why and what the knock-on has been. If there's been a breakdown, how much has that cost us time-wise? Therefore, we can see it, the commercial people, any other users can see that information. We don't just get a report back saying the plant's broken down.
What I really like about it is the fact you can take pictures on it. As we know, obviously, pictures is worth 100 words.
It's all in one spot, it's mobile, you can do it on site and it's easy to use.
If you want to find out more, visit our website at www.raildiary.com or get in touch with one of the team today.